Now we're going to explore a clause for really filtering data down to minute details, the where clause. The where clause lets you filter your data by just about any condition you can imagine. The condition can be based on a name, a specific entry, or a number. You can use mathematics, true-false conditions, or just about anything you want. For a report designer, every single report will have select, from, and where. In terms of the format, you simply add it after your select and from clauses. So for our example, let's say that the client comes back to us and says, Ty, show me a list of all of my New Zealand-based customers. Now unfortunately, there isn't a New Zealand-specific customer master file, so what can I do instead? I know that all of the New Zealand customers must exist in the customer master file. What sets them apart from everyone else? The fact that they're in New Zealand, of course. So I'm going to use the country as a condition and go from there. So we have select the names, and I'm also going to select the countries so that we can see whether or not what we select ends up being everyone from New Zealand. From the customer master file, and then our condition, where CM country is New Zealand. Now remember that anytime you reference a specific piece of data such as New Zealand, you need to enclose it with inverted commas. This is because the program doesn't understand New Zealand. It's not a table name, a field name, or an SQL clause. What the inverted commas does is it tells the program, it doesn't matter if you don't understand, here's what you do when you find it. Okay, now this isn't a convention, this is mandatory, as the SQL script won't work without it. As you can see, the report has shown us all of the names of anyone based in New Zealand, including an entry that doesn't have a name at all. So our client asked us for a list of their New Zealand-based customers. This roughly translates to select all of the customer names from the customer master file where their country is New Zealand. In SQL, this is select CM name from cust_mast where CM country equals New Zealand. As mentioned earlier, remember to use inverted commas when referencing specific text.